Ho ho. Hello, hello. Whoop. Sorry, I have to disappear into... There we go. I'm back. Hello, hello. How's it going? You know something crazy? Show you something. Show you something crazy. Let me get the crazy thing. I need a Firefox window anyways. This is the crazy thing. Now I shrink this. You ready? Wow. We broke 200. What the heck? What the? I know. Yeah. I have decided that I have no idea. Incoming ad break? Why? No, we just had one. Snooze. Go away. I've decided that I have no idea what the algorithm likes, and I'm not gonna learn. I'm just gonna post things I think are funny. And we'll see if it works. It's been working okay so far. Yeah, this video exploded. I don't know why. It's like very many days old, and it went whoop. So, alrighty. If there's any new people, welcome to the new people. And thank you for being here. It just went yeet. I don't know why. Not mad about it. It's fine. Also, I need this window. Gimme. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Oh, I'm missing one window. Where's that one? Okay. Got everything. Fell asleep with the stream played last morning? Oh, thank you. Give me the extra lurk. Dude, Power World was so fun. Oh my god. I definitely want to play it more. We gotta make games, but maybe after game release, between game jams or something? More games, more Power World, maybe. Might host a server or something too. Maybe. Hey Roy, how's it going? Why when you're knocked out? We just kind of upgraded the base and hung out. I didn't really like progress too much, unfortunately. I went to space for a little bit. And died a lot. Yeah, it was really fun. I'm like really enjoying that game. I'm probably gonna play it more tomorrow, but in the offline mode. Hey. Yeah, highly recommend checking it out. Good game so far. Hey, Shekale, how's it going? Congrats on the game release. Those of you that don't know, or maybe it's not posted yet, it is posted. Wait. You're not Shekale. I'm dumb. But the wrong thing popped up. My bad. I didn't mean to do that. You're not. It's the wrong person. Oops. Well, for my being dumb. Game release. Game release in the Discord. Look at that. Promise to use your right name next time. Sorry, Keshivox. My bad. Yeah. Game release. Crazy. Congratulations. I will check it out later. Congratulations on crossing 200. I have no idea why. I don't know what happened with the video. Another video just like popped off for some reason. Went to 10k views-ish. I'll take it. I'm cool with that. Yeah, thank you. Here's to the next 100. Let's see how quick we can get to 300. If we ever somehow get to 1,000, I want to do like a celebration stream. And my idea for the celebration would be coding the an odd or even function with 1,000 lines of code to celebrate 1,000 people. So something literally like if print even. I just do this for 1,000 lines of code. Wait, odd. Just write the script for 1,000 lines. Probably a bad idea, but would be funny. In the meantime, let's make our game. I made a couple of changes offline. Do you want to see them? Look at this. You can click the shop now. And all of the options are here now. and they look really nice. And you should be able to click this button to make the shop go away, but you can't. It's just stuck here forever. Isn't that cool? Hey Toast, how's it going? Welcome back, welcome back. Yeah, look at how nice these look. It just so happened that it lines up with 100 pixels, that this bottom option is like right at the bottom of the screen. So, cool. Not intentional. Also, the money works now. If you buy stuff, it subtracts your money. It doesn't check that you have enough money. It just lets you do it. And you can't close the shop over. So once you are in here, you live here. Yay! Yeah, I gotta figure out how to get this button working. Because what's happening is, when we click this button, the game is set to be paused. So when I go to re-click the button, this is not processing. Even though the process is set to always. So I'm confused as to why it isn't working. Try win pause? It's win pause and it's not gonna be pressable at the start, yeah. Oh no. Don't know how to get this working. So that's what we gotta figure out today. Can we inherit? That fix it? No. Yeah. I gotta get this signal to go. Oop, what the? Okay, that's what the game looks like when it's full screen. Okay, let's take a look. Who actually is listening to the shop button? You are? Howdy, howdy. I am from Texas, so I'm legally allowed to say howdy, y'all, as much as humanly possible. Okay. This stuff all works because it's on pause. Maybe the reason... Hang on. If I set the shop to always, is it not being able to tween out? Is that what the problem is? No? Weird. Why is this button? This button just, like, dies. I don't understand why. Opens. Where's the signal for... Yeah, shop anime in, anime out. Get treat at paused equals false. This should be happening on button press. Let's see if we're getting here. Button pressed. Put your stream on the Switch dock to your TV. You can do that. You can watch Twitch streams on a Switch. I didn't know that. Hey, wait. Button pressed. You see me. I know what the problem is. We need to flip this. That's all. Yep. And my in is open equals true. Like that. Right? Open, close. Yep, that was it. That's funny. It won't dock to your TV? Why? Did you ask it nicely? Have you tried turning it off and turning it back on? Cool, we have epilepsy mode too if you want it. And I set this to be... Process doesn't actually matter too much. It can be always on. It doesn't necessarily need to be on pause or off pause. Cool. Yeah, sorry, I didn't put the warning up. Okay. Fix shop open / close button scaling. Oh yeah, these buttons are like way too big. Maybe I should put them together too. The money text. The money text should probably go in this sprite, no? Probably something like this. Oh hey, you're way over here now. Good for you. This looks so weird. Is it getting scaled weird? No? Is it a text size thing? Maybe 15? 25? Whoa. Can I make music for the game? I wasn't planning on it, but I'm gonna add sounds for like when the thing hits a tile at the very least. I don't think I'm doing music, but wouldn't be against it. Wait, this doesn't shrink the whole thing if I shrink this? I have to do this by hand? Oh, gross. That sucks. Well, we'll shrink the button down. I'm thinking something closer to like this. Yeah. Scale this down as well. Oh, can I not? Your size. Can I shrink you down? There we go. God, that is like an anti-alias nightmare. Like this. I hate that it gives me a scroll bar. Yeah, something like this. Still figuring out 8-bit music software? What are you using? Actually, I don't even know what you make 8-bit music in these days. I say as if I ever knew. I used to be so good and then I just lost touch. What does these look? Yeah, these are much better. They're not centered, but that's fine. We should center up these sprites. Come here. What the? Yeah, line these up. Like so. Ad break again? Really? Weird. I'm over it. I assume Twitch knows what it's doing. This. Yeah. Now they're the same size. Maybe I should put them like right here too, right under the play screen. Yeah. I think that makes sense. Or yeah, not the whole button. Oh, not just the sprite. Oh my god. Just the button, please, and thank you. Something like this. It's better. I think we need to move the cannons up then too. We need some space down here. I think that's probably enough space though. Oh, the button doesn't work now. Why? Oh no, it works. Okay, we're good. Switched out for a second. Okay. Really don't like what I'm using. I don't like this like button layout that I have, but I don't really want to go through the process of making a bunch of new stuff. So it's fine for now. I want it to be just a little bit lower. I go like 80. Oh, that's the size. 820. Little lower even. 825. Ah. Yeah, I think so. How's that look? Pretty bad still, honestly. I think... I think I should just put these in a container. I don't like them being separate like this, actually. I'm gonna remove the sprites. Yeah. What if I do... put the money in the shop button? Need to reset this thing's layer. Visibility. The Z index, there we go. Get rid of the thing there. Just want to move the button. There we go. Okay, these are tied together now. Actually, I make it in the shop? You mean like the money in the shop? Make the idle more immersive just by getting rid of these buttons. So just having like, what if we stack them like this? How does that look? We need to move the cannons up. Boink. Oh, I shouldn't do that. I should not freehand that. What if you could put like, if you could put the money here? Is this as dumb as I think it is? Oh. Well, it breaks immediately, so there's that. Needs to be the main. Then it's just right there. How's that look? You just have a shop button below the cannons? Thoughts? I don't hate this, actually. How's it gonna look when, like, tiles cross it, though? That's my big concern. If the layering is set up correctly, it should be okay. That's kind of spicy. I need to like miss so that I can see this coming down. I think if we add like a border to it, it wouldn't be too bad. It's a little trippy. It definitely can't be the same color as the tiles coming down. Nah, it's too much clutter. It was a good idea in theory. Let's see. We do like... Is this too high up? Yeah, that's intersecting with the cannons. Let's move the cannons up a little bit, give ourselves more space. Who has the yeah, cannon height? We'll say 750. Good. Bump them up a little bit. Is this... Dude, I hate UI. Shit's so complicated. No, I don't like this. Okay. What if we put them together again? So they're happy. And we put them both... Instead of having separate boxes for each of these, we have one box that encompasses both of them? Maybe? Let me get some inspiration. Mobile idle games. Hello. What are other people doing for their UI? Need something more like 2D. 2D. What are you looking like? I don't know what this is. It looks fun. I want to play this, whatever it is. Looks enjoyable. Something like... No, these all look much better. Much better than what I've put together. I don't know. Honestly, I think the simpler the better. What if I remove this? Maybe this is what's throwing me off. We just have the words. Why is this weird? Yeah, I'm kind of vibing with this actually. Would I speedrun Wikipedia? Do you mean like the Wikipedia races? I used to do those all the time. They're really fun. You like start on a random page, you can only click links and you're trying to get to some target at the same time as someone else. Can I do BB text in here? I don't think so. That's why I have it. I have this instead. Can you? No, it's so tiny. Someone going from Stewie Griffin to Kim Kardashian? I feel like that's in my wheelhouse. Wikipedia Stewie. This should not be difficult. I'll try my best. I need like an actor. Yeah. Here we go. Let's see. Bunch of stuff he's worked on. Genres. Need like live. Lists are usually good when it's like top 100 whatever. Sometimes a bunch of like actors will just appear together on lists. Let's see. Can I do like... Nope. Jimmy Kimmel Live. Surely the Kardashians have been on Jimmy Kimmel at some point. Is there a list of guests? Guests? Surely. Surely. Guests including... Maybe. No. But perhaps in the works cited. What is this? Kanye West? Kanye West. Oh, we're so in. Kim Kardashian. Boom. Easy, dude. We got there. It's tough to be this good, you know? 1-7. What's the record? It's Dewey, Kim, speedrun, Wikipedia. I think if I run this back, I'm pretty sure I can get this in like ridiculously fast. Here, let's see. All right, you ready? Get the stopwatch out. Stopwatch. Okay, we ready? Go here. Seth MacFarlane, Jimmy Kimmel, Kanye, Kim. 8 seconds. Well, okay. It was 8 seconds before I tabbed back over to stop the stopwatch, but I'm counting it. New record? Really? Speedruns live. Wait, it's just speedrun.com now, yeah? Yeah. Wikipedia. This is a user. Oh. They follow Minecraft. Well, we tried. Where's the category for this? There's no games. A scam. Nothing's real. Wow, Toast. How did you do that? You're so talented. You've hacked the Twitch chat. Oh my god. How? It's in a different planet. Rip. Well, I hold the record now. Try to beat that one, huh? It's so over. Alright. Give me this guy. Yeah. No. Yeah. Why? Can you behave? What? Why can't I move? Nah, he's... Okay. Can I resize you? Sure. Okay. The problem is like the anti-aliasing, or not anti-aliasing, but like the stretching on the corners looks really weird. New Twitch hack. You need like a picture of someone talking to you in Discord. We'll be able to play this like in the next 2 days. Soon for sure. We're in the home stretch now. I'm hoping at the latest by this weekend. What do you look like? Oh, you're the tile. You're very large. Why are you so large? No, that looks abysmal. Is there one of these that's just like an empty box? Probably. Where you at, Kenny? Defaults. Order. Yeah, I just need one that's like got nothing, you know? Where's the nothing? Perfect. How do you... Oh, not you. Panel border 15. Just a white box. Everything I've ever dreamed of. Low-key kind of works. Can I line this up? It's gonna look a little weird in the editor, but in the game it should look real nice. Chop. Money. Then we need a divider. But how's that look in the game? It's simple. It's clean. I like this. I like it. Type into command prompt. Only worked on Windows. Shutdown/P. It shuts down your internet. Oh. Thank you. Do you know if you are in a web browser, you can use Control-W to refresh the page? See, it works. Try it. Control-W refreshes the page. Yeah. Trust me. It wouldn't do anything else. Oh, we probably need like the line to tell you when you're gonna die too. I think it's like right here. Can we put the cannons like right on this? That might look cool. Viewers, I forgot. Wait, yeah, don't. I forgot y'all are probably in a browser watching this. Oopsies. I bet. Don't press it. I take it back. Don't press the button. Set myself up. Dang it. I'm sorry. I take it back. I'll never misbehave ever again, I promise. No. Absolutely not. What about like 780? Not you. Get out of here. Like this. Where's the actual button? Oh, it's like, wait. Not even close. You can just click anywhere around here and it'll be good enough. You say you're centered, but I don't believe you. Something like this. You can just... No? Where'd the button? What? This is all the button. Why are you being weird? You pressed Control W. I'm so sorry. I should have thought about that before. I was just trying to be a silly little guy. Whoopsies. Okay. You should have the shop highlight the font to indicate you can buy a new upgrade. Ooh, I like that idea, actually. I got an Easter egg idea. When you press a hidden button, it sends you to a 1-to-1 remake of Mario 64. It's only 2 extra steps. Just make the button and then make Mario 64. It's not even that much extra work. Literally two bullet points. Who can't do that? You, the sprite, you need to pass the process. How do I... Ordering, maybe? Something where it says with the mouse, just pass through. Mouse. Oh. Process? Red group. No. Set region? Remember the option. I think this thing has it set. It's literally called mouse. On Sprite 2Ds. What are you? You're Sprite 2D. Where's the mouse then? Oh, you're not a Sprite 2D. You're a textured rect. Change type to textured rect. Oh. Okay. Just teleport, why don't you? Oh no, it's like slightly off now. Ignore size. Ugh. Why? Why is it chunky? Hey, Feather Flames, how's it going? You press a hidden button in Mario 64, it sends you to a 1-to-1 remake of Tears of the Kingdom. You hit a secret button in that game, then it throws you out of a window and makes you touch grass. Ah. Easter egg to find out who Minecraft from Alex in Terraria Joe. Eh. Dude, why is it so crunchy? Don't be crunchy. It won't line up. Can you see this in the game? Nah, it's... You got no idea. It's all good. And then here, there should be something called mouse. Ignore. And now... What? Why? You can only click it if you click this bottom little pixel. Why? This should be sending the mouse through though. No? What? Why? Pass maybe? That's what it was already. No? What? Eh? Do I need to set this up a layer? I don't think so. We'll try. I mean, I'll try it. I don't know why. Worth trying, I guess. Putting it one above? No? You can still only click on the little bottom part. Yeah, this is a input event weird thing going on here. Nowhere. Yeah? What the heck, man? Reset this so it stops yelling at us. I don't know. Can't click button behind image. It's not the layer. I tried bumping the layer up by one and it still didn't work. Layer only affects draw order. It doesn't affect like input handling order. Ordering these things differently. Check the mouse filter option under the control node. If it's set to stop, it will block inputs. You set it to ignore if you want to completely allow inputs to pass through it. Third option, pass. Oh, because that's what it is, and it still doesn't work. Yeah, it should just be on pass. In fact, like, it's opaque, so I'm even more or it's, what's the opposite of opaque? The center is, there's nothing here, like, there's nothing actually part of the image here. Why? What the? This, yeah. Okay, button behind sprite 2D maybe? Let's see. I'm gonna change this back to sprites. Sprite 2D. We're gonna have to fix this again though. Come with me. Enough? Good enough. Okay. No, not you. Oh, now you click on the right thing, huh? Can I put this -1? Does that work? Still no. Okay. Feels relative, no. What the? And this literally doesn't have a, Can I disable this? I have no. Is there anything in front that may be blocking the button? This can include invisible things. Make sure control nodes are set to mouse, filter, ignore. You don't want them to get mouse events. You don't have a mouse option on you though. Input maybe? It's got nothing. This thing doesn't exist. It's form. Visibility, top level, children, light mask visibility layer, ordering. Material process priority. What does priority do? Priority in the execution of enabled processing callbacks. Notification process. Maybe we put the priority lower? For like -1? Okay, yeah, that worked. Weird. Huh. Will this game work if you connect a PS4 controller to your phone for mouse function? I don't think so, but... Toast, you did it again. You're hacking Twitch chat. Stop. The Twitch police are gonna come get you. We close it now? Nope. You live here. This is your home now. It's because this needs to be always enabled? This button is. Now it doesn't work? What? What do you mean by that? Can I say disabled priority -1? No? Alright. We all saw it working, right? I'm not losing my mind. I am losing my mind. I'm so confused. Eh? Didn't change anything. So I go to this guy, set to -1. Why do you hate me? You know what? We're just gonna put it in here. And now the button should be on top. Still no. Hey Aries, how's it going? I'm in the fight of my life right now. Okay, I'm so confused. Change type. Rect. Texture rect. Let's move it on over again. Set the mouse filter to ignore. Go. Button no work. Why? What the? Oh, now they're tied together. Get this out. You don't belong in here. The shop button. And the text label will bump it up a little bit. Can I click the button? Still no. What's going on? Yeah, I got rid of like the big buttons. I'm trying to make them small buttons. And I want them to have both. I want to have the text for the money and the shop in this container. But when I do that, even though I set the mouse filter to ignore, I can't click on the button when it's behind the sprite. I don't know why. I don't know why it's doing that. Oh yeah, and we speedran Wikipedia. I got it in 8 seconds. Hacknet OST. Is this Hacknet? Yeah, it is. Hacknet OST. Wow. Malware injection. Well done. That was impressive. No, it is. Yeah, you're totally right. He's Hacknet. I have not played the game. I don't know what it is. I'm just using the playlist I use is Race, the Risk of Rain 2 speedrunner. Or not speedrunner. Risk of Rain 2 Pro. He has a really good like chiptune playlist that I just steal. That's the playlist. Not that exciting. Okay. If I make you not visible, can I click my own buttons? Let's get the basics working. Even the basics don't work. If I delete you, can I click my own buttons? Oh. I know what it is. God dang it, dude. It's the text. It's the... No. It was the text the whole time. Ugh. Hey, Ariboy. Do I want to play your game in Scratch? Heck yeah, I want to play your game in Scratch. Can you put it in the Discord? I don't know if you're in the Discord yet. We have a channel for people to put their games called Show Your Stuff. Here, I will invite you, just in case. You should post it in there. Game called? Yeah, Break Invaders. Should this get affected by the modal too? Probably not, because this is still an active button. Yeah. We have this giant chunk of space for the gross, disgusting ads. Cool. Can't believe it was the text the whole time, dude. I'm so tilted. Be like, here. I want to get this to the center of the screen. Hello. Actually, genius moment. Can I do right? And then, oops, do something like this. Hear me out. No, this is a bad idea. Yeah, that's fine. Are these like centered though? They look pretty centered. I'll freehand it a little bit more. Put it like there. Yeah, perfect. Well, pretty good anyways. It's nice that the button existing also gives a divider here. Kind of neat. I'm actually going to take one of the dividers from here. You got a better title. Space Invaders New Deluxe 4.0 Free Brick Breaker. It is really catchy. Oh, and it comes with a free acronym. SINDFB. Or SINDFB. It's good. It's good. Like the cannon's closer to the buttons than before? Yeah, it is a little bit closer. Although it's not centered now that I'm looking at it. Hey, where's this button? Need to be nudged a little bit. Is that too far? It's too far. I was trying to make it look like they're kind of sitting right on top of the line here. You know what's funny is I'm doing all this, and then when I change resolutions, I'm gonna have to fix all this scaling anyways. Pretty close, pretty close. Can I just move it like one? Yeah, just like one little pixel. Next game should be asymmetrical. I hope the next game will just be a lot more complicated. That's what my hope is. Because this one feels kind of simple. All right, try now. Hey, that looks pretty good. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I like that. I need to test on my phone though, how good these buttons feel at their current size. Godot scaling options may have it be able to be consistent across resolutions. For the last game I made in Godot, it was pretty solid being able to flip between different resolutions. So we'll see, but you have to, something gets stretched, right? So either like the tiles are going to get stretched, or why add? I was talking. I'll wait for the breakdown. Pretty bad at coding. I've only used Scratch. Hey, I started with Scratch. I love Scratch. Scratch is awesome. No hate on starting in Scratch. I made quite a few things in Scratch actually before I switched over to like Java. So no hate. If you're just starting your adventure, good for you. You know. Yeah, I love Scratch. All right, let's just add some stuff. Yeah, this looks. Are the graphs going to change or do you keep the retro style? I'm just going to keep this because, yeah, I think this is fine for a simple game like this. Yeah, at least you're making one. Exactly. At least you're making games. At least you're making stuff. If you have it all on a base object, then use that object as a base. It might be more consistent. True. I meant more in the case of like, you're going to have to make a choice somewhere. Like, let's say we go to an iPad, right? iPads are much wider than like a regular phone resolution scaling. Like they're much more square based. So if I want to make the tile symmetrical still and have the same amount of tiles across the screen, then the play area is going to be crunched. So something will not be the same on every device. You have to make a choice somewhere. I mean, we have a little bit of extra padding down here, so maybe we could like crunch this piece a little bit, but we'll see. Have I played Hollow Knight? I have played Hollow Knight. I loved Hollow Knight. That game was super good. I actually played it on stream like 6 years ago, I think. Can I make a custom sprite scale for larger screens? You can, but when you submit to the App Store, you submit one like APK. So you'd have to have all of that in like, or not APK, but one like file together. You'd have to have all of that set up internally. I don't think it's impossible, but... we're losing, oh god. But then you have to do like OS detect screen size every time to see which one you're going to use before you start spawning stuff in. Which is like not the end of the world, that's totally doable. Yeah, but your game is relatively small. It's true. It's pretty fun too, I'm not gonna lie. Watching my brother play Hollow Knight was mind-boggling, especially for areas like the Light Castle or whatever it's called. That game was just good, man. Every part of that game, well, not every part of the game. The room with no light in it can do things that I'm not going to say on a stream, but every other part of the game was very fantastic. I liked the like manor levels. There's a level in Hollow Knight where it's Hollow Knight Dark Room. This? Is it the garden? This room. There's no light at all. You're just in the darkness for the whole the whole level. It's awful. I hate it. That was the only part of the game where I was like, this is just stupid. Love Hollow Knight, and I'm not sure why. People ask me why I like the game, and I don't know what to say. Just say you really enjoyed it. That's good enough. I don't think you need to have like a specific reason to like really enjoy something. You just be you liked it because you liked it. You can get an upgrade for that room? What? Are you not supposed to play it completely blind? Dude, I thought you were just supposed to ship it. Dude, I have like zero gamer sense. I did the same thing in Dark Souls, the original one, in the dark area. I was like, I guess that's the difficulty of this area. You're just not allowed to see. There's upgrades everywhere. I'm not a very good collector, clearly. I was too focused on getting like damage upgrades and stuff. Like, I don't need to see. When am I ever gonna get to a dark room? Oh, and then all of a sudden. It's fine, dude, it's fine. When will my game be complete? When I'm done coding it. Hey, hey. I have no idea. By the end of the month, at least, because I want to submit it to the FFS gem. Gotta be in tune with your adventurous mode. I'm only here to be with my attack mode. Sorry. No adventure, only violence. One mode. Soon. Yeah, soon. Old Pokemon games have conditioned me to look for light and dark RuneScape. Dude, even in the Pokemon games, I just sent it. My first game was Ruby, Sapphire, and Emerald. That cave in Dewford. I was like, I guess you just can't see. That's fine. Be down here chilling with Zubats for hours. It's all good with me. Used Flash? Never did. Lights the whole cave up. Look, I got the 9 tiles around my character. Good enough for me. Wait, why does this show up as a link? You can click it. Cool. Doesn't go anywhere, but still cool. I like your CSS styling message highlights. I like your funny words, Magic Man. Okay. All links have to end with dot something. And then just auto converts it into a link. Hang on. Does that work? It does. You can just... Sick. Sky, great. Hey, that's me. Ship it. I have hi.com and it exists. Whoa. Hey Anna, how's it going? Am I good at art? Oh my god, no. They're streaming to Twitch and YouTube at the same time. Isn't that illegal? Not as of recently. It used to be. But Twitch made changes that you're allowed to do both now. The wording is very funny on it. You're allowed to multi-stream so long as Twitch has the highest quality or is tied for the highest quality of both like presentation and literally bitrate. So those are the conditions for streaming to other services. Whoa, you're back here? It's the old runaround link. Welcome back. The page refresher. Done with that. At purchase, enable / disable to shop on shop open / close. I.com is selling crypto cards? Gross. Really? all set on that front. What app is the checklist? This is Obsidian. You should get this. You should get this program. It's so sick. It's like Notepad, but it's Markdown. So you can do like checklists, and you can do a bunch of different stuff. You can link to other pages. So like if you do bracket, do game outline. This is like a link now. You can pop over to the outline that I didn't do. And pop back to the checklist. It's so nice. Get it right now, you forgot last time, but yeah, you need this program in your life. This is so nice. Wish Silksong released? Isn't it been working on? Haven't they been working on that game for like years? My graphics card, I have a 3080 RTX 3080. Been awake since 3 a.m. What time is it for you right now? That's too long. Go to bed. What are you doing? Getting sleep is important. You should get 8 hours. Oh, I wanted to add the divider real quick. Projects, assets, UI borders, PNG, default, divider. Which one of these looks nice? You look beautiful. It's 2 a.m. in 2 minutes. Y'all are some late time enjoyers. Just applied for college? Good luck. Good luck, good luck. And good on you. That's awesome. Where did my... There he is. Yo, thank you so much. I appreciate it. That was really loud. Oh no. Yeah, what major? You're doing CS, right, Anna? If I remember correctly. Where did my break go? Oh yeah, but also headphone warning. Was it that? It was probably too late. Hold up. Stream elements. Yeah. No. What? I don't use stream elements. What am I talking about? Where am I right? Let me Alright, look, I'll adjust it later. Just no one press any buttons for a little bit. Wasn't that loud? Oh, okay, we're chilling. You wouldn't lie to me, right? Panel border. No, not you. I want the divider. You... Okay, sure. Give this guy a rotate. Spin. Rotation? Yeah, 90? Nope, 100, 270? Yeah. Grab this, I said just grab this, there we go. I don't know why I was being weird. Transform, split the screen on this guy. What is it, 287 is center? Yeah. And then we need to crunch it down a little bit like that. Does this look okay? How does this look? Something's not centered. Am I able to send the playlist over? Yeah. It's not mine, but I'll give it right to you. Here you go. Yeah, it's something's a little off here. It's 9 p.m. for you right now? That's healthy. There we go. If I want to make an online game, would I have to dedicate a PC just for the servers? Yeah, I agree with Anna. You'd probably do a cloud server. Hosting your own server like with a PC is not really a thing anymore. More affordable generally. Yeah, I agree. You can use AWS/Epic online service. Yeah, exactly. We can do like more Hollow Knight or Celeste. I haven't played Celeste. Don't hate me. I need to. It's criminal that I haven't. I've watched several speedruns of it, if it makes you feel any better. What did I just say? I said Celeste was my favorite between the two and nothing else. That's all that I said. Did I say something else? I don't remember saying anything else. What is my setting? What is my transfer, or what's my screen size? 563? How did I do that? Nope. 563 divided by 2. 281. Oh. 281.5. They should be happy now. Yeah, okay, they line up now. Just lost a follow. Deserved, honestly. Completely, I don't blame you. It was nice having you here. Goodbye. Everything, yeah, that's the correct decision, really. I don't even know what Celeste is. Celeste is one of the greatest platforming games of all time. But you know what? You know, hang on. All right, before you judge me, I don't want to pull up my Steam. I played Dust Force, so I've got my platforming licks. Have to buy a server in the US, otherwise ping would be bad for everyone. Definitely just use AWS at that point. And yeah, free tier to test out and get started is probably more than enough. Relocates automatically. Yeah, you can like choose which region of the US you want to live in. It's like I just usually use US East 2 or 1. Just stay, please. Your company is nice. Don't leave me. I'll play Celeste, I promise. I think I'm gonna get a list of like games to play in between game jams. So I will add Celeste to the list. Definitely need to play that game. Also, yeah, the soundtrack is so good. So good. Okay, so we need to do here, when we open the shop, we need to do so on animate in shop dot, we need to do, hey Muji, how's it going? Toggle buttons. What this function is going to do is go through the list of buttons, compare with how much money we have. If we have enough money to buy that thing, then enable the button. And if we don't have enough money to buy that thing, disable the button. Hollow Knight is your favorite soundtrack? May I suggest the Dust Force soundtrack? It's very, very good. Is this the Skype ringtone remixed? I'll check, but that would be incredible if it was. It's been years since I've heard that. No, it's just a totally different song. It kind of sounds like it though, low-key. Wouldn't be the first time I've heard a Skype remix. Like God of War, it's just sitting there with your PS5. I sold my PS5. I'm so sorry. Hollow Knight's also your favorite game? Alright then, yeah. Just keep with the soundtrack then. Good combo. Any tips for someone that wants to start with game programming and what programming language he should learn? If you want to start, like, do you have any programming experience prior to game dev? It also depends on what kind of games you want to make. So if you want to do like 2D stuff, like the stuff that we're doing, I would recommend Godot and learning GD script. If you're just looking for things to learn like with coding in general, probably Python or yeah, I like JavaScript too, Anna. I think that's a good suggestion. Yeah, ultimately it doesn't really matter which language you start with or anything like that. For 2D Godot for sure, yeah. For 3D Godot is also nice. I haven't done anything with it, but yeah, it's a super solid engine game. What is this? Framework? What is this thing? What is this box? It's a good engine. Yeah, I would say engine. Yeah, and then you can learn GDScript. GDScript runs a lot like Python, so if you learn GDScript, you'll have a good start on learning Python too. But just make stuff. Think about what you want to make, like what kind of game you want to make. Break it down into a bunch of smaller problems, and then kind of go from there. Start with something really small, though, is my suggestion. I'm the first person to say hello back? Really? That's very surprising. I think Python is better because it's more new and the app looks more polished. Do you mean like for Python GUI stuff? I'm not sure what you mean, like the app in general, but I really like Python. I think Python's great. Plus, it's like good for data science stuff too. That's why I used a lot of Python when I was working professionally. Am I good at math? Debatable. I have a degree in math, but that just because you have the degree doesn't mean you're any good at it. You're trapped in a room for 100 hours. You can only pick one game to play as entertainment. Which game would you pick? Factorio. It's pretty easy. You'd have to drag me out of that room after 100 hours. Like, no. I'm almost done building the factory. Python is very popular, but I find it hides a little too much for a beginner. I kind of see that as a good thing, though, yeah? Like, if you're a beginner, you don't necessarily need to know about all of the different things that it's hiding from you. You can just get something simple working. You can learn more about the inner workings of like how it's implemented later. I honestly think like the more obfuscated it is to start with, the better, because you just get building stuff faster. You just get better feedback quicker. That's why I like JavaScript and like web design, picking that stuff up first, because it's just like very visceral. When you like create a button or something in a UI, you just go press it. Like it's right there. You just built it. You can go do it. Hey, Greggy? Greggy, yeah. I think that's how you say that. How's it going? Welcome, welcome. Make another game using Redstone and Minecraft? Yeah, do you have internet access? My answer doesn't change. It's still Factorio. I'm refusing to learn. I'm building a factory for 100 hours. I've just done that in real life. It doesn't even need to be a challenge. All right, back to this toggle button thing. We need to go to the shop and implement this. Fuck, toggle buttons. And the good news is every time we buy something, we can call this function too. So what is this gonna do? Iterate through shop options and enable/disable buttons based on if the player, this is too long, has enough money. Yeah. Toggle buttons. Oh, and we actually need the amount of money that we have because the shop doesn't actually know. Money. Yeah. So for oh, these are just children. Yeah. Shop option in get children, like that. And then here's where we actually do the calculation. You have internet access, but you can only use the game, nothing else, so no browser. That does make Factorio a little harder. I don't know if I know all the ratios off the dome. Dude, I don't know if I can get far in coding due to your math skills. You don't need to be good at math to be a programmer. Absolutely, you do not need to be good at math to be a programmer. If you are stuck on something because of math, you have a computer in front of you. You can just ask the computer. So don't feel like you need to be like very skilled at math or anything to write code. It's absolutely not a requirement. And especially with like higher level languages, very much so not a requirement. You know, just pull out a calculator if you need. You install mods for the games? Dude, I want to do like modded Skyrim sometime. God, that game is like unrecognizable if you get the right mods going. Terraria and Stardew Valley also massive time sinks. Terraria, yeah, Terraria I feel like I could get through in 100 hours pretty quickly and kind of be bored at the end of it. All the math's done by the computer? Exactly. You don't need to do the math. That's why we got this thing. That's why we got the magic rocks that do the math for us. Modded Terraria. I still need to play Calamity. Okay, if shop op nope. Shop option nope. I need to think to like get the price of a shop option. Do I have something I can do that? I just price text. Oh, that's the actual text. Wait, hold on. Where is... Oh no. I need the actual upgrade. That's in here. Do I have a list of the upgrades? I only have the pairs? Yeah, upgrade signal pairs. I guess I can just loop through this and just grab the upgrades. That's fine. Does price Can't talk. Does the text change when you click it? It does. And in fact, it even updates the money too. Oh yeah. I won't show you. Game's broken. Actually, we'll just pass in, what is it called? Money. Money. Yeah. You can click the button. Everything adjusts properly. Everything's working. Hey, Saphir, how's it going? Welcome, welcome. Welcome to the game dev. Yeah, we have negative money. That shouldn't be a thing. You need the highlight indicator when you can get an upgrade from the shop. I'll think about it. I like the idea of that a lot. Why is this being weird? This is like 1 pixel off. But I don't know if it needs to be indicated that you can get any upgrade. Maybe that's like a settable option. I don't know. I have to think about that. Because like, if there's a really cheap one that you don't really want to buy, you're saving up for something, should it highlight? It might just be a little distracting. Not sure, not sure. What software am I using for the VTuber thing? VTube Studio on Steam. It is free. Could use ints over float text. I'm trying to get to the thing that keeps track of the price increases. But actually that would work. It feels a little hacky, but you're right. So just do like price equals shop option dot price dot text int. This feels a little unstable, but I think it would work if I could spell this. Bar price, oh, equals. Does this work? No. Is the what are you? Oh, it's price text. Doesn't matter how unstable it is. If it works, it works. You need the int in the parentheses? Really? This doesn't work? I'm gonna try it. I'm like 20% sure this works. Hey, it doesn't work. Oh no. The wrong index. What is your name? That's price text. You lie. It's literally right here. No? What am I doing wrong? On base textured rect. Oh, right. Huh? What is this? What are you? Oh, it's the outline of the shop. It's because it's iterating through all of the children. Right. These are part of the children. If shop option is class name shop option. Yeah, maybe. It works. Kind of weird. Why does it think the price is 3,510? That's too many. It's using the scale? Is it? How do you know? It's text scale. Really? Why would it do that? I didn't tell you to do that. Text dot. There's nothing else here. The text scale, like the in-text code. Oh, you know what? There's another thing though. That I'm setting the BB tag with it. This is bad. I don't like this. For a shop option. What do I call this? Let's do this. What? You get shop option. Or upgrade signal pair and upgrade signal pairs. I want the upgrade. Yeah. I need the upgrade from this. This is not used anymore. I can just loop through this and grab the upgrade part. How did I do that? This. Yeah. There. Now I have the list of the upgrades. If the character size or text set to 35, I have a lot of things in the text code. That's why I think it's not going to work. Let me show you. So when I set the price text, wait, what? This just has the price on it. I'm so dumb. It just has it. It's right there. You can just use it if you want to. I just should have asked nicely. I'm so good at programming, dude. I'm so good. The best. Can you just give me back what I had? Thank you. Watch this. Print. Shop option. Nope. Dot price. Hey, it works. It was there the whole time. Skill, professional, talent. He's got it all. All right. So here we say if price is greater than money, then shop option dot disable. And we can add this function over here. We go to the buy button and say disable. Disable. What do we call it? Buy button. Dot. What is it? Hey, Silent Beast 13. Thanks for the follow. What is the function on a button? Oh, and everyone gets hit with an ad. Perfect. What is the text on this? It's hide. I don't want it to go away though. I just want it to not be clickable. You're looking very clickable today. Oh, it's disabled. Cool. That's true. Like that. Oh, this guy coming back to the Python hiding a bunch of stuff. I don't think it's a good thing because some things people won't even search because they don't know it exists since Python hides all of that. I still think it's like you're making the trade-off essentially of like being able to do more things quickly versus having a depth of knowledge on why you're able to do that thing. And I think when you're starting, you'll have more motivation if you can like quickly just do things and see results, right? So from like a practical standpoint, if it's a question of like how quickly can I learn everything that I need to learn for programming, I think maybe start with something lower level. But if it's like what's the best way to motivate myself or a new person to learn programming, having immediate feedback I think is much more helpful. Because it gives you that good like dopamine hit of like, oh, I solved a problem, instead of being like, what the hell is it? Runtime error. Yeah, that's my opinion on it. I think when you're starting, just being able to see stuff get done is good. Also, like for most of my friends, when I was teaching them to code, I started with React, because React is like pretty simple and you immediately see results. You like build the web page, you can immediately see your buttons, immediately see some like text on the screen. Whereas if you start with like C++, it's gonna be weeks before you see anything. Will I re-enable the button if I have the amount of money needed? Yes. We will get to that. Identifier price not declared in current scope. You're so right for that. Not bad. I thought Godot crashed. Okay. Didn't crash. Everyone take a deep breath. Eesh. Non-existent disable in base 2D node shop option. You lie. You don't lie. I lie. I'm sorry. So none of these should be... Yeah. When do I breathe after breath? We'll take another one in about 10 minutes. Think it'd be good if you had good guidance? Oh, yeah. Still clickable though? That's fine. It doesn't do anything. It's grayed out too. Hold your breath for 10 minutes? Yeah, can you not do that? You got this. start with Python and learn more later, like Java or C++. Yeah, I think that way you like keep the motivation up. And then when you're like, oh, maybe I do want to learn more of the inner workings, like learning C++ after learning Python, you can actually understand how Python is implemented because it's built on C. So like actually learning the underworkings of Python, that's pretty cool. Looks sick. Oh, thanks, Sixy. I appreciate it. Also, welcome. Welcome to the stream. So remember this breathing exercise for clarinet? That's a new one, new technique. Just invented it. It's good, trust me. Right, we need to re-enable the buttons. Okay, re-enable the buttons. Else, shop option dot enable. Ho ho. Now we need an enable function. Func enable. You ready for this? Buy button dot disable is false. Genius mode. So we have no money. Go to the shop. Can't buy anything. Oh no, we're so poor. Let's play the game for a little bit. Dude, I love these one-line functions. They make me feel like I'm really good at programming. We have 8 money, 8 doubloons, 8 shiny rocks. We can go here. We have so many things we can buy. Let's buy a mount. That seems like a really good... I found a bug. Uh-oh. You just keep going. Look at this. We've created a laser beam. Get him. I don't like this lag between the shooting either. I know why this happens, but I need to make it so that's not a thing. It should be more responsive. Add that to the list. Cannons responsive to new aiming. Hey Julian, how's it going? Just started watching Godot tutorials and your stream came up. That's a mistake on YouTube's part. I am not that good at Godot. Let a notification things for upgrades you can afford. All right, you're the second person to bring it up. I should probably do it. Yeah, on my Space Boy had the same suggestion. Yeah, I'm not sure how exactly I want to do that yet, but we'll burn that bridge when we get to it. Okay, so when we go here, when we buy anything on update money, we should... What did I call this? What is this? What is your name? Who are you? Toggle buttons. So as part of the money updating, nope, you don't belong there. Where's update money? Where are you? Really sort these better. Like that. Okay, so we can go here. Can't buy anything. Good. Play the game for a little bit. Little glowy button or text box or a red dot. Maybe just like a thing here. Indicate it? Not sure yet. Golden coin or circle next to the button? Top right would look best, IMO. Like right here. By the slightly broken divider. Did you use the please remove card SFX when it pops up? Just the horrendous beeping noise. Right, so I can buy this. It's working! Yay! Now we shoot 2? Yeah! I can go back in here. Let's get some damage upgrades. Yeah! Dude. I'm starting to see the light at the end of the tunnel, you know? We're getting there. Hey, this game, when we're playing it fairly, not just clicking buttons, scales a little fast, hey? No, I need more damage. I think I made an impossible game. I'm doing my best. Destroy it. Alright, more damage. We're gonna die, I think. It's over. The dopamine hit of just having code that works. Come on, quick. Oh god. Nope, we lost. We're dead. It's over. Alright, maybe we make things a little cheaper? Would that help our case a little bit? Go here. No, where's our upgrades list? Yeah. We'll make getting another cannon cheaper. Secret tech. This is the best tech in the game. Make things give more money. That could also work actually. That would be a pretty easy way of just scaling things, yeah. So I can just do where's on tile destroyed? Tile level times 2. Double money. Yeah? You want more money? Can you get... You can't have an odd number of money now. Oh, you can if you buy an odd costing shop thing. Okay. Yeah, this feels right. We'll buy more ball. It happened to me. I was searching for trail and I'm enjoying spending time here. Lots of good people and Sky's teaching me so many things. You're so nice. Thank you. Ah. I hope you learn a little bit. I don't think I'm the best tutorial, but maybe you can pick up something. More damage. Go. All right, this feels much more winnable. We already have 32 money. I'm gonna save up for a cannon. I want a new cannon. We're close. Cannons are OP. They basically double every upgrade you have for the first purchase. Give me cannon? Yeah. All right, we have 2 now. Can we not die? That's crazy how much better 2 feels than 1. Also, this is kind of a useless upgrade now that I think about it. I should make this cheaper. It doesn't really increase your ability to, like... It's possible to die still? Oh, for sure. I think we're gonna die. It might still be too hard. Gonna die. Let's get more damage. Speed is not useless? Okay, I trust you. Feels a little like... It's not as impactful as damage, per se. We have more money. Let's get even more damage. I'm all in on damage. Damage main forever. Ooh, we're starting to cleave through. Going for a mount, TBH? All right, I'll get some amount. All right, definitely need a notification on when you can buy stuff. Ooh, starting to do some damage here. I'll get speed and duration. Why not? Yeah. Okay. Oh, the red bricks are too powerful, dude. It's over. They're too strong. I can't win. It's over. No. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't say game over. I'm gonna keep fighting. Come on, get him. Wait, where's the cooldown? Oh yeah, I forgot to buy cooldown. Come on. Dunzo. Duration should be called piercing. Really? Why piercing? It doesn't really make it like go through more blocks per se. Explain yourself. Alright, we kind of caught up. I think I make the cooldown cheaper too. I'm gonna make the cannons and the cooldown cheaper. I'm gonna make everything set to 10. Maybe we can get up to like a couple cannons. Be quick. Plays really well? You think so? This is pretty fun actually. What happens when the box passes the cannon? It shouldn't ever let you get to that point. We haven't designed the game over like function yet, but hypothetically it should just say like game over and then restart the game. That's what it should do. It doesn't? That's awkward. If you hit a thing and you have enough damage to like go through it, the ball will just keep going. But so that's kind of like the piercing idea. If you have like prestige once you die or global upgrade or something, it's basically the perfect loop. Oh, but that's where we're going. We're gonna have to decide on a lot of like balance things, but hopefully that's where having a Discord full of beta testers can help us out. Yeah. What's my favorite color and why? I'm gonna say red. Well, I have a ranked leaderboard. So I thought I was gonna have to do all that myself, but it turns out in Apple Arcade, you can just load the arcade object and it lets you do a leaderboard. So I might just do that. Because I think it'd be kind of fun to see like weekly who's destroyed the most and like who's destroyed the most ever. But having anti-cheat might be a little tricky and is maybe not something I want to do a bunch of work for. Longest session? That's a cool, yeah, that's cool too. Although then we'd have to have like a timer constantly counting up. We got, I got the money. The cannon. Alright, cannon's easy below, we're expensive. This is OP. Or is it? More damage. Oh, the duration maybe it should scale a little less. Background off-screen timer? Yeah. Actually, it wouldn't be too hard. You just have something in the update frame of the game. Just add. Hey, Zixism. Thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. Dude, we're winning. Dude, cannon's OP. These things need to be more expensive for sure. Also, the cooldown needs to scale way slower. 2 cannons is fine. Yeah, I think so. Oh, we're big winning now. Should scale harder after that. Oh, so the first one's cheap, but then then they step up to 100 or whatever. We did it. We won. They can't even go on the screen. Yeah, this is absurd. Upgrade cooldown, make it a machine gun. You got it. I think this will get closer. Close. Same with duration. Duration doesn't feel like a real upgrade, to be honest. Like, it doesn't stay bouncing around as much as I thought it would. Maybe I should start it lower and then have you be able to upgrade it more. I think we've won. Ball span. Oh, like the size of the ball? That's interesting, actually. I didn't think about that. But my perfectly designed shop that holds exactly 6 items. Oh no. Yeah, I think if you get too many cooldown upgrades, it just turns into a laser beam. Alright. Too much. Apply purchase. Where does the price? Yeah, increase price. So this needs to have its own increase price for the cannon. Cannon amount upgrade. If price is equal to 10, price goes to 100. Else, price equals floor price times golden ratio. Place duration with ball span. Actually, that is a good idea. Let me see if I can get the thing to like bounce around more. Not sure yet. Be able to add this to the spawn speed of the blocks. That's like the second. We've discussed it a couple times. I think it should just scale up over the game. Because I'm not sure if that's something like you, the player, want to control. Because it's like increases the speed at which you'll die. Not sure yet. Not sure yet. That's actually what I meant, but I just went along with the ball size. Oh, so I was wrong the whole time. I've been wrong since the start. Cool. We'll have a leaderboard where we can enter our name and keep our high score with our name. I'm thinking about it. I think that's a good idea. I have to figure out how to use Apple Arcade though. I think the base version probably won't have it, but if it picks up some steam, I wouldn't mind adding it. Let me see if this cannon thing works now. Yeah, now that I scaled the game, like I fixed the way the tile math works, like the tile speed math works. Now that it scales based on delta, not just per frame. It just goes to 100, right? Yeah, cool. We'll see what happens when I buy a second one. Planning to release free to play? Yeah, for sure. I'm gonna probably put like ads here because I'm a horrible person. But I don't want to charge anyone for this because this is not even worth $1, I think. But I also don't really love like the freemium pay to remove ads thing. So we'll see. Ads are fine. Wrong. They are the devil. Ads are the enemy. Ad for every opening and closing, every input. I was thinking on every time you fired a ball, you get a new ad. Every time you break a tile, perhaps. TBH, you pay $5 for this? You are thinking a small minority of people. I wouldn't pay $5. I'd maybe pay $1 for this. Microtransactions better than ads? You got a point, actually. How do you feel about remove ad button for like $1? Because then at least you get to say bye to ads forever. Thoughts? Give me more money. I need to test this thing. Yeah? In for pay $1, get rid of ads? Remove ad button for $1? Okay, we'll do that. I like that. Yeah. Back to this Google hackathon. You're helping me code right now? Aw. We're coding together. Nice little code sesh. Alright, we have 100 money. Can I buy another cannon? And then it scales up perfectly. Let's go, dude. It's working. 99 cents. You're right. The consumer mind games. $1? I want to pay $1 for that. Oh, $0.99? Absolutely. Just do it. You got it. I have to learn how to use the App Store API then. And it's going to be different for Apple and Google. So it's going to be some stuff to make it round up to $1. Minus $100. Oh, you charge me. Oh, okay. I'm gonna go out of business pretty quick, but I'm down. Click this button to get no ads, and you make $100. You say so. All right, Shopworks, dude. Let's go. Yep. Oh, I want sounds. Pay us to remove ads. $1 for ad that you remove. You're doing me a favor. I will say with the so Google recently announced or not Google, but like in the EU, they passed legislation recently where you know, like how your phone asks if you want to be tracked. The iPhones will ask like, do you want to be tracked? Or allow the app to track you. That's tying into like the banner ads now. So if you say no, ask app not to track you, it actually, Google cannot send you ads anymore, or at least not personalized ads, which have like the non-personalized ones have a way lower CPR. So a lot of people are installing packages now that say, if you click no to that, the app doesn't work. So if you don't have ads, if you choose not to be able to view personalized ads, the app doesn't work. I'm not going to do that. So if you live in the EU and you click no, you get the game for free. That's the end of it. It's yours now. Congrats. You've seen that before? Yeah. It's only in the EU right now. It might catch on to other platforms, but CPR is cost for a lot of people that don't know. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Forgot to say. I'm just so in the business. I just use all the acronyms now, you know. Put the ads at the top because at the bottom would lead to people accidentally pressing them, getting sent to the App Store mid-game. The problem is that's where the things are. Also, you have to, if you put ads at the top of your game, you have to switch where they land because iPhones have a bezel at the top. Or like the newer iPhones have a bezel at the top. So I'll probably stick them down here and have some space between these buttons to make sure you don't accidentally click the ad. Yeah, that's the point. Side banner ads. How about each tile is a banner ad? You must destroy them before they get to you. The wall colliders are banner ads. The cannons shoot little ad balls. If you lose, ad. The shop, ad. Close the shop, ad. Win the game, believe it or not, also ad. I can't get this guy. Oh. We lose? Get up. Come on. Go. No. It's over. Everything is... Wait, we actually got it. Wasn't paying attention. Sick. Okay, let's go get some sounds. Should be some free stuff, hopefully. We can yoink from itch. Sound pack. Sound effects, yeah. I might have to pause the music while we listen to some sounds here. Dungeon audio pack. Can we listen to a couple of these? Yeah, let me pause the music. Because otherwise, we are not going to be able to hear it at all. Okay. Cool. Rip to the ambience, but it's okay. Yeah. Oh, a YouTube video. So kind. These are cool. Oh, don't like that one. I don't. Okay, maybe we should scroll through these. I need like a click, like a maybe sword miss. What does this sound like? Nope. I need something clicky. Trap on. Here. No. Okay, I don't like these. 200 plus free SFX. Yeah, gimme. Okay, let's download this. Oh, this costs money. Okay. Yeah, I just want to download. If again, I have a promise. If we make money off this, I'll make a donation. Gimme. Dude, this is why I love itch.io, dude. You just get free stuff, see if it works. If it does, awesome. If it doesn't, you lose nothing. If you press an ad on accident, it downloads a random game on your phone. I think that's called a virus. I need percussion sticks? Oh, you think you're right. That would actually work really well. Impact. I'm sorry. I don't know if that was as loud for you as it was for me. Okay, let's can I tone that one down? Yeah, I agree. Can I open this without it? Everyone cover your ears. How do I volume mixer? I'm gonna mute my desktop audio for a sec so I don't explode you. God, I'm not playing that one again. Oh god. Can I need to like tone all of you down. Volume mixer. Where is it? Windows Media Player down to like 2. Okay. You're allowed to hear again. Yeesh. What aspect ratio are you using? Don't remember. 1.7. Like an actual instrument called sticks. Oh. I see what you're saying. Let's see. How about punch? No. Does it have like instruments in here? Music? Chip whip? No. Weapon, roar, events, explosions. Yeah, let's look for like a drum stick. You're right. Instrument. Clavs. What does a clav sound like? Instrument. What are you? Explain yourself. Demo. Yes, this is okay. Here we go. Yeah, this is perfect. That's exactly what I want. You're so right. Give me a clav. No. Clav sound effect. Free. Clav sounds. Here we go. I'm gonna get a virus from this website. Seems like a virusy website. Don't be loud. File not downloaded. Potential security risk. Yeah, you right for that one. Let's go somewhere else. This game reminds you of One Piece. Explain yourself. Because we're firing cannons, maybe? That's kind of piratey. Cartoon, I got block number 2. Close. I'm trying to click a different one, but can you stop? I don't like that. I don't like these at all. Because the One Piece isn't real? Okay, guys, I mean, I'm doing my best to make this game. You don't have to. You don't gotta be like that. Game, what am I looking for here? Percussion. No, not games. Assets. I'm doing fine. Stop bullying me. Japanese Cinematic Percussion Volume 1? Possibly. Maybe Itch doesn't have good stuff for this. Try the go what now? What is this word? Guiro? What is this? Instrument. What are you? Video. Guiro. Guiro. Oh, my bad. What is it? What does it sound like? It looks like a fish. Oh. Oh god. This guy's perfect. I just need this. Adding some trails to the bulls might make it look cool. You right? You right for that. I should do that. Oh hey, it's me. Lav sound effect. Surely there's something here we can do, yeah? We're getting closer. No. That sounds like a phone. I feel like one of these is usable. I like that. I like that. We're getting close, man. I feel like if we slice this, this will be perfect. I'm gonna use this one. What's the license on this? No commercial use. 6 months is how many dollars? Eh? What? I think we need to go find a different thing. Huh. Okay. It's by the instrument. Yeah, at that point it is cheaper. What the heck? Oh my god. Sound effect. This one's $10. Clavs. It's kind of choppy. Maybe we could use one of those? Hmm. It's groovy. Not what I'm looking for. Perfection. It's perfect. Chime bar for something else? I think I like this one. And I need to make it less sharp though. Like I just need to tone it down. What is your license? Use content for free. You cannot sell or distribute. Okay, we're not on a standalone basis. Okay. Contains any recognizable trademark, logos, or brands. You cannot use that content for commercial purposes in relations to goods and services. In particular, you cannot print that content on merchandise or other physical products for sale. We're not doing that. That's okay. Cannot use it any immoral or illegal way. We're good. And cannot use the content as a trademark, design mark, trademark. Okay, we're good. Yeah. Use content without having to attribute author, although giving credit is always appreciated, and I will. Yeah, this works. Content license summary. I think we're allowed to use this. Chime bar for something else. Is there like a chime bar? Chime bar? We're teleporting to a mystical land where assets are free and easily findable. Did I download this? Yeah, we're good. Give me the thing. Did I not download it? I just checked the license, my bad. Yeah, give me. Alright. I edit this with... I need a... Audible. Reminds me of the 10th Kingdom. Dude, I thought we were going on a little mystical adventure together. No, not Audible. What's the app? Blue headphone app. Audible. What is this? Audacity, thank you. My bad. Gimme. Download. Gimme. Install. Go. Did that break the screen? There we go. Bye. Trying to think of other instruments I can use. I think I'll stick with this one for now. This is pretty good. Audacity, Roy, you are correct. Twitch chat was I think the YouTube delay is like 20 seconds longer or something. Don't know why. Audacity. Be able to open this. Sure. Grab this guy, drop him in here, and then trim it up. Yeah, that's perfect. I'm gonna grab like here. How do we crop? Just do this. Control C. Delete. Then Control V. So we just have that. We want the attack to be right at the start. Just cut it like that. Yeah. There's no sound? Wait, play from the beginning. Okay, calm down. Make a beat. Alright. Oh, doesn't work. I miss GarageBand. Back to the start. Put the playhead at the start. Why are you starting over there? Don't start over there. Start over here. Sorry. You can select and hit delete, by the way. Oh, I was just hitting backspace. Okay, I need to transform this a little bit. Want to, yeah, volume. Okay. Compressor. Gotta zoop this guy down a little bit. I don't. Yeah, it's like it attacks really hard. I don't want that. I just like to learn to code fast and make nice platforms. There's 0 seconds of delay. Having a little bit of delay is nice, I will admit. Oh, that brings it up. I want it to come down. It's maybe not what I want. EQ, delay and reverb, special. But just do negative amplification? Yeah. Stop. Perfect. Okay, drag that in a little bit. Save it up. Export audio. Browse. Projects. I'm gonna put my music back on because I feel exposed. There's no extra wiggly bits going into my ear. There we go. And then we drop it into here. Assets, new folder, sound effects. And then ball hit.wav. Watching the stream instead of doing history homework? This is history in the making, you feel me? This game's gonna be a household name soon. I'll be in the textbook next. I'm gonna randomize the pitch of the sound effect. Yeah, definitely gonna do that. I mean, I'm glad you said it because, you know, I didn't want you to be confused when I was definitely already gonna do it. You feel me? If you think about it, everything is wiggly bits, dude. Right? Forces, wiggly bits. Light, that's just wiggly bits. Sound, wiggly bits. The horrible noise of me drinking my water, believe it or not, wiggly bits. Just making sure. Yeah, that's good on you, you know, keeping me honest. Godot. How do I do this? Audio stream player, that's, oh, we need an audio stream player, huh? Where's the thing that actually detects when a tile gets hit? It's on the ball. When do you actually take damage though? Gravity's wiggly bits? True. Just wiggly bits. Kind of bendy wiggly bits, gravity actually. Gravity might be more bendy. Less wiggly, more bendy. Wiggly particles, more of a state of mind. Your mind? Wiggly bits. That's it. It's kind of meaty wiggly bits. Grab some more wiggly strings. Alright, I'll give you the actually on that one. You're right. I don't want to add. It's fine. It's fine. We'll add this to the tile prefab. Then go here. Add audio. Audio stream player. Plays positional sound. I'm not sure I want that. Sorry. Stream. Load. Assets. Scripts. Nope. Why? That's not sound. Yeah, play this. So I can randomize this pitch scale, huh? Okay. On hit. Audio stream player. Is it play? Audio stream player 2D. GD4 audio stream player 2D. This game's gonna be the next Terraria. I love your confidence. How about I search all one word? Vibraslap. Based by how many instruments do you know? Just the instrument encyclopedia. You're cracked. Gravity, yeah, loom of fabric that is space. That fabric, space-time. And space-time? That's wiggly bits. Autoplay, pool autoplay. Bus, int, float, playing, stream? How do I just do the thing? Play, void play. It's literally just this. Please don't be really loud. Please? 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 It wasn't loud. Credit where it's due. It's like I could barely hear it. Or not even hear it at all. It's playing? Play? Didn't it work? I can hear it in the editor. Sounds fine to me. Why? Why are you like this? Why are you doing this to me? Finished. Autoplay. Bus. Max polyphony. Do I need a listener? 1 in 1,000 chance for a FNAF jump scare. That's how you go viral, right there. Pool is playing. If true audio is playing. Was it playing to true? I do. Where's on hit? Playing. Playing equals true, maybe? Let me hear you. I need a listener? Oh. Yeah, you so right for that. Do I need the listener to, can I just put it here? Can I put it in the environment? Listener. Overrides the location sound effects are heard from. Yeah. Current. Does this work now? One time? One time? One time? Nothing. Struggling with Godot again? Every day. You know it. Well, actually, sound is a transverse wave, so it can be called wiggly bits. Yeah, you get it, man. It's just wiggly. Everything's just wiggly. What you do right now? You're sending electrons through a wire. That's just wiggly electrons. You know the difference between audio stream player and audio stream player 2D? Not even a little bit. Why would I know that? Only nerds know that. Foobar, come on. Do I look like a nerd to you? No. No, no shot. What if I just look up? Yes. Oh. Okay. Audio buses, audio effects, audio streams. Sync the gameplay with audio music. Recording with a microphone, text to speech. Let's do audio effects. Did Doofus use audio stream player? I did. It's right here. It's not working. Dot play, perhaps. If audio stream 2D detects it's too far from origin, you won't hear a thing. And I set this thing's transform to be like maximum, max distance, 10 million. Attunation. What is this? Volume is attenuated over the distance with this as an exponent. Yeah. 1. Read all the comment, not just the last. Alright. I should add more stuff to redeem with channel points. You right. Let me put that in my stream upgrades. Shish. You don't know who's making my emotes. You don't know anything. You didn't read that. What? Channel point redemptions. What are some good channel point redemptions? Give me some ideas. Does this work now? One is for playing with coordinates detecting the distance to the origin. That's what this thing does, though, right? I think I just need to see an example before I will understand this. Godot audio example. You make a bunch of Twitter emotes you can use. You can't promise good quality. It's better than what we got now. Here we go. Give people money. Yeah, man. Whatever the exchange rate on channel points to real world dollars is, I'll beat it. I'll give you infinitely times better exchange. Importing audio samples. Okay. Force 8-bit. Don't care about any of this. Compress mode, loop, offset. Wait, yeah, can I just set this to be like always playing? It worked. All of them made the noise at the same time. So if I set playing equals true, what am I trying to do? I'm trying to get this thing to play audio when it gets hit. But it's not doing that. Don't know why. Actually, and I only wanted to do it when it's going to reflect, so I need to actually put this here. What the? Audio stream player 2D. Yep. Nope, wrong tab. Audio stream 2D. Let's look at the docs for this again. What? Circles aren't real. True. OSU players in shambles right now. Min target, max, or pitch scale. We want to, vary this on hits, but we'll do that in a second. Okay, so we know the noise works because if I set it to autoplay, they all play the noise right when the game starts at the same time. That's good. And we can do, like, we should be able to do play like this. Circles be like 3.14. They'd be like so clickable, am I right? But it should only make a noise when it hits this thing. I don't know why it works though, but it works. Dude. Wait for it, wait for it. Boop. It's perfect. Bonk. Oh. So nice. Do I have to pass anything as an argument to it? It's a void. There's no arguments, I don't think. Unless I'm dumb. Hold on. Play. Play. Oh, float from position, but as a default arg of 0. It's so perfect. It's very pleasant. I'm a little bit worried what's going to happen when I have like a bunch of stuff, but yeah, exactly what's on the upgrades. We're about to find out. Still not bad, actually. Oh, it's like, it's so pleasant. I love it. It's a little bit weird that it feels like it's only doing it sometimes, but I like it. Because it only does it when it's on a bounce. The balls are basically faded, but still bouncing. They fade out as a function of like how much time they have left. But maybe I should make the cutoff like 50%. I don't know what I changed either. It's working now. I don't know why. All right, let's add more upgrades and see if it just sounds god-awful. Still okay. They die after they sting. I'm just trying to make sure it doesn't sound crazy when they have like tons of stuff going. It honestly sounds better the more of them you have. It's like a very pleasant noise. It might get bad if they start stacking up like if the exact same frame, because it'll amplify the noise that it plays, but it also low-key sounds like a Geiger counter. The prices will be higher, right? Not sure yet. I think this is... When we run the beta test, people can mess with like what the prices should be if the game's too easy or too hard or whatever. There'll be a lot of like fine-tuning of the variables, I think. It's actually, it's quite pleasant. See if I can like angle the shots. Start getting stuff like up here, get stuff trapped up here. Gonna get radiation poisoning, but you'll be having a good time. We're having fun while we die. Check Discord, I sent the Twitch emotes. Oh, I'm excited for this. They're incredible. Look at these. Oh, and they're even separate PNGs. And we have every emotion. What more could we need? My god. I'm giving you the artist tag right now. That's an artist if I've ever seen one. And the speed too, your delivery time is staggeringly fast. So yeah, maybe we should do let's see. Where's the prefab? Do you think it would be better to do start decaying, self-modulate decay timer count, this times, how would we do this? This is a fraction of a thing, and I want it to go down to 0.5. So at 1, it should be 1. At half its duration left, it should be at 0.75. At no duration left, it should be at 0.5, which means this goes to add 0.5. And then if this is at 1, this is going to be... how do I do this? This is the full duration. What am I doing? I think that's actually just works. You can't go over opacity anyways. Sorry, this is just the alpha value. So if we're above 1 for the alpha value, it doesn't actually matter. You think this looks better? They fade to like half and then just disappear. They're not like fully faded. I'm not sure which one I like better. It's really calming to listen to while studying. Aw, thank you. Hope you're actually getting some studying done. Have plans I cannot share because the behavioral sabotage. I have plans I cannot share. This is just a pleasant little game. I think I need to put a cap on, or redo the calculation for the cooldown so I don't like laser beam things. But other than that, this is we're getting close here. We're getting real close. We're gonna add polling to the game as optimization. What do you mean by polling? I'm not sure what you mean by that. Claps for the win. It's good, man. It was the right instrument. It's either this or the wind chimes, you know. Amount damage. Cool down. Go. Will there be microtransactions? There'll be one you can use to turn the ads off because I'm scum. Because I'm a terrible person. That's it though. JK. Not JK. You have no idea what you're walking yourself into there. I'm sorry. I'm a horrible person. I'm gonna turn the volume down just a little bit. In case there's like a billion of these things. I don't want them to volume dB. Wait. Can I adjust like just a little bit, just like -1. Just a little bit. Everyone needs to make money somehow, just saying. Yeah, I know. I just hate ads in video games. I'm late for something. Forgot tomorrow's school. Thanks for the person mentioning study. Oh no. Match the volume with your output volume of my computer. Goodbye. Goodbye, eardrums. They're dead now. There was an explosion. Just plays at max volume no matter what the output is. Instead of creating and deleting bullets every time, you just cache them. I think it's okay because they self-delete after hitting. Plus, like, they spawn with different values for a lot of them. So, for example, like when you add more damage, the next bullet was gonna have more damage in it. Hey, see you later, Roy. Thanks for chilling out with us. I'm like having optional 30-second ads for currency in gem/currency, purely optional. I can't do the video ads no matter what. I just like pop-up ads are bad enough, but video ads are like, they just take me right the hell out of the game. I hate them, man. Every time they pop up, I close the app, dude. I'm out of there. Can't do it. Okay. Might happen that you get sick tomorrow. You haven't done the homework. You know, if you get sick too much, you never have to do the homework. Think about it. You just chain getting sick together. You never have to go to class. Genius. Have hide ads in the in-game money to the shop. So you're like, if you're super cracked, you can do it for free. As a timer. God, that's literally pay to win, no? See ya, Roy. Get some sleep. Okay, what does that want to do? That is the wrong checklist. Cannon's responsive to new aiming. Right. Your laptop just blue screened? Oh my god. You look good. And you came back? Dedication. So for the more responsive aiming, how do we actually shoot the things? I don't remember. The game was too perfect. It's the last game you ever have to play. It kills the computer and then itself. Or kills the game and then itself. Alright. On ball fired spawn. When does on ball fired get? Connect. The autocannons do it. Oh. That's why this happens. Hang on. Fifth goodbye. Go for another one. One more. Okay, so something... This connects to on ball fired. On ball fired says, here, spawn a new thing. Oh, and this is when it shares the position. So we need to change the responsibility of spawning multiples away from the class, away from the like this class. Yeah, because this does for index and range ball amount. This needs to be different. So we're gonna delete that. And everything's gonna break. That's okay. We're gonna get through this. Make a PC version where when you lose, it shuts down your PC. Deletes file system32. Yeah. Testing would be a nightmare. This is like when the Docker people are like, finally, my time to shine. How many PCs to perfect delete file system32? I seriously think if you use Docker, you could actually build this pretty well, pretty easily. Delete system32, spin up a new image, no problem, easy. Oh wait, no, that wouldn't work in Docker, because Docker is virtual. It would actually delete your actual system32. Alright, you'd have to use like a VM. You made 2 more emotes? It's perfect. What more do you want out of an emote? Seriously. Look at this. And finally, for when there's several of me. I love it. I love it so much. I'm gonna add that actually to the channel. I think we have like a billion emote slots, so if you don't mind, I'm gonna actually add those on as like the free tier. Expect the emails to be added before next stream. You got it, Captain. Whatever you say. So we need to take this out of this class. You're no longer responsible for that. Who gets called to add on ball fired, new ball speed, new ball amount? So this will say for, yeah, this goes to the autocannons now. Autocannons ball amounts. And then we go, oh, this, why is this here? Get out of here. Go to the autocannon. It's, okay, here we go. Update ball amounts, new ball amount for cannon in get children. Cannon.update ball amount, new ball amount, like that. And then in here we have, it starts as 1, and then we say ball in, ball amount. What the? Stop it. Like that. Oh, it should be range. Yeah. And then we had the delay, so in this class, you can see we have this. We need to add this to the cannons. There needs to be some delay between firing. Wait, autocannon. Yeah. Otherwise the balls will literally stack on top of each other. If input does not equal rand int OS remove windows. You get one try. Restore system 32. Ow. I think that's just called installing Windows. Okay, so if we buy, oops, we have to earn, okay, for testing purposes, we're gonna start with $10,000. Nice. You don't care about me? Oh, it doesn't update yet, I see. Buy these amount. Uh-oh. Invalid index, set ball amount. Autocannon GD with type float? You're not a float. No to autocannon. Wait, what? What are you? It's this thing. You're fine. Why? Why do you hate me? Ball amount with type float. Is this okay? Why? Can you take me back to this error, please? Hello? Where is this? Where is this? Where? Is VTuber 3D or layered PNGs? It's layered 3D. It's layered PNGs. I think? Hang on. No, I think it's 3D. I don't remember. It's been a while since I plugged it into the software. Hang on, let me... I think... I'm trying to shake some stuff off of me. I think it's... No, it's layered PNGs. Layered PNGs. Layered PNGs, for sure. Yeah. I wish it was 3D. So like dancing around or something. Maybe if I get a new... When I get to do the VTuber thing of like, new model time, heh. We'll see, we'll see. Then I can do more like schmoovin'. Run Python script, get your soul sent to the Microsoft Overload. Oh, sold. Dude, okay. Gripe with YouTube. You see this? You see this little button here? I have my chat window like this. Wait, like this? So it like cuts off the last word a little bit. It's really annoying. Fix your stuff, YouTube. Come on. Why are you doing this to me? Okay, where were we? I'm just gonna run it again. I don't remember this error was. Mount. Crash is here. Wait, what? Auto can't. Oh, wait. This needs to be the function call. What's the function call? Update ball amount. There we go. And like this. Yeah. There we go. PlayStation 1 style VTuber? Oh, like the low poly ones? Dude, I want to do that so bad. Like the, yeah, low poly. This wasn't like a thing when I was making when I was getting my model commission, but I would definitely do this. These are so cool, dude. I love this style of graphics. Like this. This one? This is really cool. I don't know who you are, but you're cool. Yeah, I want to do low poly at some point. It'd be cool if I can like switch between some of these on a whim, you know? If I had like multiple loaded up in the studio, I could switch between them, turn low poly sometimes, but this is the only one I got right now. On it. If it's as good as your other art, I'll switch immediately. Stick figure? I like the PNG tubers. Those things look really funny sometimes. Minecraft chicken VTuber? That's a proper $1 million idea, I think. I'd watch a chicken. Chicken plays Minecraft. It just runs around and picks up grass. That's it. Nothing else. It's perfect. Okay, should be able to do this now. Nope. What is this? Oh, it doesn't have this function, hey? It'd just be... should be easy enough. Function, new ball amount, ball amount equals new ball amount. These are technically public variables. I shouldn't need to use a function to update them, but whatever. Add a bunch of these. Why not? We're rich, dude. Now I can like change the aim as I'm firing. Why does only one of you get all the upgrades, huh? That doesn't make any sense. Uh-oh. Oh, this needs to be set when we spawn a new cannon. Yeah, where's the cannon spawning? Oh, right. Auto cannons is where spawn cannon is? Yeah. We do new cannon dot update this thing. And that means this file needs to have it as well. It's 1, and then when we update, say this equals this, like that. Now they should all get it, right? Oh, that's cooldown. Hang on. All right, I need to do this so I can test. So I buy this, then I buy more cannons, and the new cannon should have the new amount. Yeah, sick. Cool, cool. Make a break invaders fit? That'd actually be kind of sick. Like black and white version. Kind of fit the theme of the game. I was gonna use a morph mod and chicken sounds to talk. Oh my god. That'd be awesome, dude. You just make the cluck noises. That'll go viral for sure. That's a genius idea. Oh, the sound is so good. It makes me so happy. All right, what's left? Design game. We're almost there, man. All we need to do is make the game over stuff, and we're like done. Whoa, kind of crazy. I think we can reuse a lot of the shop stuff for the game over stuff as well. Actually, I think we can use the whole modal. Maybe. Let me think about that. I can yoink some of the stuff from the shop. Promote the shop class to like a modal class. And then reuse the modal, like the outline and the modal background for the game over screen. Still Loki sounds like a Geiger counter. I was gonna have a rivalry against my player account for slaughtering your brother / parent. You're a chicken. What do you... That chicken has a lot of complex emotions to go through. That chicken needs to see a therapist. They need to see a professional. That's a lot to work through. Or just play a lot of Minecraft. In effect, really. Game over's that. Then we're done, man. And like just in time. I think the FFS jam ends pretty soon, to be honest. End of the month. We got like 10 days left. We'll get there. We'll get there. I believe in us. Okay. Oh, I just realized that's like really loud for you guys, isn't it? You just turn Godot down. Hold up. Everything's the same like volume level for me, so it's not that bad, really. It's good. It's registering as the same level as me, like as the microphone. I'll put you to half. How about that? That happy with that? I overpower it. I'm just too strong. I guess it's like not like that harsh of a sound. I was thinking about, so back to like randomizing the pitch. I actually kind of like that it's all one pitch. I think it's more softer now. Good, good, good. I think randomizing the pitch actually wouldn't work here, because then it's gonna like create, since there's so many hits going on, it would create like a weird dissonance between if we accidentally played like a chord or something. Give me everything. Give me everything you have. More. Go to 10 of everything. See how crazy this sounds? I spent all my money. That's crazy. I don't know I could do that. The cannon's too powerful. It's kind of pretty. I'm making art. Cool. This is good news that this much can go on and the game doesn't explode, so it's progress. If I did this earlier, the game would have exploded. It's a nice laser beam. Let's set the tile scale faster over time too, maybe. No, let's do game over thing next. Yeah. Okay, so this is the shop. I think what I want to do is make a new node here. Call it modals. Oops, no, it just needs to be a node 2D. This. Put it here, call it modals. Modals like that. Put the shop in here. It should still like work the same, right? Oh, it nests the yeah, it nests everything down one layer. I think it's okay. Child elements. We'll save our shop. On ready, shop equals shop dot, or sorry, modals dot shop. I could just do this instead, which is better practice anyways, to be honest. Yeah. That's still the same. Okay. Should work now. Nope. This work now? Nope. We're almost there. There we go. So it still comes in and out. Perfect. Okay, so I can go here now. I'm gonna set the transform of this modal to be -4,000. Set this back to 0. This to be 1,000. Now it should still be down here. Perfect. When it animates in, though, it's gonna go to a weird position now, isn't it? We have to adjust the animate in and out, because now when I click this button, yeah, it doesn't come up. Okay, let me see. Animate in. Queen. This is gonna go to 1,000. No, -1,000? Like that. This goes to 0. Now it should go up 1,000 and then go back down. Yeah, nice. Cool. Next thing is, where's the actual background modal? It should be labeled better. That's the textured rect. What is this? Where's the modal? Where's this thing? Where do you live? Oh no, that's the sprite 2D. Wait, what is this then? What? Oh, the modal is up at the top. I forgot. My bad. I forgot. These two things though, want to be up here. Yeah, so the way this is going to work is the shop and the game over are both going to use this box. So this box is going to animate up every time, but it's going to be reusable. So modal outline, and then modal inner panel like that. This needs a script. Function animate. Oh, this doesn't work. If we change the position of this thing, it's going to change all of the child elements, which means it'll pull up the rest of the shop. Okay. This actually... We're just going to undo everything I just did. It doesn't work the way I want it to. So get back to... Yep, there we go. And this time, we just have to adjust this. Everything should work still. See ya. Hey, welcome back. Bye. 0, 1000. That. Okay, hopefully it works this time. There we go. Goes back down. Cool. We'll just have to make a new thing here. No worries. Game over. Nope. Node 2D. Call this the. What are you? Oh, this is the modal thing I made from earlier. Oh, I'll just use this. Rename. Game over. And I'm actually going to grab these two sprites. Just paste them in here. And then this thing needs to have its transform view -4, 1000. Down here with the rest of everything. And then I need some text. And the text is just going to say, you lose. For now. You lost. Bozo. Game over. We'll center it up. Center. And font size. 35? No, bigger. But like 65? Yeah, something like that. Yeah. All right. Next we need to animate this in. So, where's game over? Yeah, we're gonna say game over dot animate in. That this needs a tween. Animate in. This is what I'm thinking that these things could derive from the same class, because this animated is like the exact same function call, but since it's just a tween, I think it's fine. Grab this. Oh, it needs to animate out too. That. And copy it up. Or animate out. Which we'll do once the player clicks like play again or whatever. Let's be 1000. So when we die, let's see if we can just die. That thing should pop up now. Let's see. It's probably like a way to get to losing the game faster. I can set the speed a lot higher or something. It's probably fine. We'll just wait. Actually, you know what I can do? After this test, I'll switch it. I can move the like game over part higher up. That'll work. Kill me. Do it. Come on. Bury me. Any second now. And come on. I think it's like right here. Look at that. First try. You lose. Oh, the game needs to pause too. How did I do that with the shop one? Get tree paused. Equals true. I'm gonna move this bar way up here. Sure, ship it. Should kill us almost immediately now. Come on. Kill me. Do it. Bury me. Like right here? Come on. Yeah, and it pauses the game. Nice. Okay. So, done. Tween onto screen. Side ratio on tiles killed to new game upgrades. Yeah. This is gonna be something that, like, when we all test the game together, we'll have to tweak a lot of these. But for now, we need an actual amount of tiles killed. So, total tiles killed. Yeah, we can update this on tile destroy. So this is only gonna, it's not gonna track the tile levels, it's just gonna give you 1 for every tile you've killed. And then when this animates in, update text values. So we need to give this, actually, function update prestige values. How do you spell prestige? Prestige. Prestige. I'm assuming the move we got it right. Yeah. Values. Like that. So this will let us mess with all of the text when it comes up. So for now we'll just say add child node, text label, this guy right here, drag it over here, code, center, font size 35, total tiles killed, something like this. Actually, it kind of looks nice like this. Oh no, because there's going to be a number after it. Let me make this smaller. Yeah, like this. And then I want to force it to go to the next line, but I don't want it to be scrollable. Something like this. And then it'll drop the number onto the next line, hopefully. If I did like 35, or 3.5, 4.56K, something like that. How's that look? Nope. Me. Just this thing to be higher. Yeah, just kill me immediately. Perfect. Looks pretty good to me. And then whatever this value is, we'll use to decide for the next thing, and then we just need a big play again button. And that's the gameplay. That's the full loop. We're getting there. Getting there, man. Okay. I think next is actually getting these values to update. We have to pass these back to the game manager, or like the main class too. We also have to figure out, I just realized, player data saving. That way if you close the game, you don't lose everything. We need a way to like write to disk after this. Cool, cool. And then the part I want to do the least, resolution scaling. Ugh. I'm deleting this. There's always a checkbox to clean up code. It's always with us. It's in our hearts. Whether or not we get to it, who knows? Buy a bunch of stuff. Oh wait, it doesn't update yet. Hold up. Go here. In the main class, we need to update. Let's see. Update prestige text. And we pass in total tiles killed. Like that. Cool. Oh wait, this is on game over. Like that. Okay. Go here. This is game over label. Total killed label. We already know it's a text. Let's say that. Just say total killed. Okay, total killed dot text equals. We said 35 for this. Plus string total killed. Oh, there's one more thing we need to do. Let's see. Add scientific notation to values. Otherwise, these things are gonna get out of hand really fast. Just gonna scale off the screen forever. Oh. Did I not click that energy? Go, go. Let this kill a few things. I want to make sure it actually updates the modal at the end of the game. I maybe made myself too powerful. Let's start over. Let's do this. Should be good enough. Watch it go. We're doing it. We're killing stuff. God, the bounce sound effect is just, it's so good. It's so crisp. I love it. And we're rich. Everything is going so well for us. Bonk. Should maybe move the thing up so we can die faster, but that's fine. Everyone can just catch their breath for a little bit. Bonk. One more. Give me one more bonk. Several bonk, but you didn't have to. See if I can get this guy right here before we die. Come on. Yeah. What? Doesn't exist. Are you sure? Oh. Whatever. It's fine, we'll say values. That makes more sense because we're going to pass these back over when the play again button is hit. And for now, let's put our kill line like way up here. So we don't die immediately. I want to make sure we actually kill at least one thing. Cool. Alright, we can die now. It just says 3. Hang on. That's not right. Alright. This. Like that. Okay. One more try. Oh no, I ran out of water. Tragic. Total kill. Oh, wait. That's also not quite right. Should have a little bit extra space. Is the text too big? Oh yeah, it's supposed to be 25. Ah. Try again. I'm a little worried about when we change resolutions if this is gonna still force it to drop down one. So maybe I should do like. Can I do can I do like /t? /n? Or does that just literally say /n in the text now? Yeah. BB code new line, maybe? That's probably a thing, right? Probably. There we go. Load up the wrong tab. BB code new line. Yeah? Oh, it's just BR. Oh, okay. BR? That doesn't seem to work. Have to do. Does it have to be at the front? Can you not do? Can you not do codes like halfway through? Why? /beer? I guess not. You have to do it at the front. That's weird. You enter your line and then add a break on the next line. You could okay, like this. Not like that. Why is this working? Maybe it's like Godot specific thing? Enabling. No, neither work. Okay. Generating BB through code. You might want to use rich text label new line. Is BR? Yeah, BR is just not working. Oh, hang on. 1 second. Did my thing die? Hold up. What? Oh, weird. I'm still okay. No, never mind. Everything's still working. It's a weird bug. I don't know why that happened. Sorry, my thing said it's not encoding anymore. We're good. We're good. /p works? Okay, I'll try that. Yeah, that does. Wow, okay. Weird. Oh, but I need to recenter it still. All right, cool. So we need to do this then in the actual text. Yeah. So right here, I guess we could do it there still. Like that. Okay, let's try that. Should work. Should work. Hopefully. Bonk. Nice. Did we kill 4 tiles though? 1, 2, 3. Is that correct? I can't leave. I can still open the shop weirdly. Let's see. We'll actually count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it bounces. Tiles killed 4. Yeah, looks like it's working. Okay, so now we can do like the actual different prestige values. Speed bar next game amount. What are all the different things I wanted to do? Amount, damage, duration. Damage. Next game duration. Yeah. Is this gonna set the base values for the next game? How does that work with the way the upgrades are calculated? It might not. Oh, mount. Mount just has one, so we can just add a raw like number to this, and that's okay. For this one, speed, we'll set the purchase amount. Actually, we could just do that with all of them. Now that I think about it. Yeah, on new game, it'll just set this to be some number based on how many things you killed total, and then it'll recalculate all the upgrades at the start of the game. Okay, that works. That's perfectly fine. Cool. We need text for everything too. Let's do the text first because that looks pretty. This next game ball speed. We'll just say speed. How about next game speed? Yeah, prestige speed. Prestige speed. Yeah. One. Great. Prestige amount. One. Prestige damage. And final one, duration. I'm not giving them extra cannons on spawn because that can kind of scale out of control, I think. You're starting the game with like 15 cannons. Prestige duration, like that. Okay. There's gonna be a lot of things that we need to drag over. Speed text. Actually, I'm gonna set these so that their transforms are all the same. Transform. Really? There we go. Should be the center of this item, but I don't know what that is. I'm gonna eyeball it. Okay, 300 maybe? That's fine. What is this one? 220 or 186? What is this? Oh, this text box is way too big. Oh wait, I can just stretch it to the edge of the thing and then it'll always be centered. Yeah, there we go. Easy. Okay. This one. I'll have speed go right under. Same thing, stretch it to the edge of the canvas. And set the text. Text size. Cool, it's 35. What? What's font size? There we go. No, it's too big. Like that. Permanent speed upgrades. I don't know. Then we do this, right? We'd say 14, I don't know. Something like this. I'll delete this. I can just copy and paste this one. drop this down a little bit. Permanent amount upgrades. Yoink. All this amount. Where's the order in the shop? Yeah, then damage is next. This. Up to here. Damage. Damage, like that. And last one. Oops. Is what? Duration. Yeah. Like that. Cool. Speed, amount, damage, duration. Nice. Freehanding Blender is so hard. Why are you doing that to yourself? Cool. Now, we just need the play again button. Add child node. Play, nope, button. Where are you? You're over here? Why are you over there? Drop it right here. It says, play again. Why is it so tiny? Right, I forget buttons don't let you do what you want. Rich text label. Size of the button. UP code enable. Center font. Size equals 35. No, we need this to be big. 65. Play again. Something like that. Need to set the spread on this button too, but okay. What is this like weird extra space? Oh, this needs to be flat. There we go. Text should be here. And then we need a sprite. Sprite 2D. And we'll just use the same one we use for everybody else. Okay, right here. Yep. Something like this. Is that gonna look a little bit weird with like the different thickness? Yeah, it is. Should shrink this down a little bit. It sits inside. Maybe. Something like this. Yeah. It's a lot of white boxes, but I think it's okay. I'm getting to the point where I'm like happy with a lot of things. I just want to get this finished. We're so close. Cool. We'll attach a script to this eventually, but for now it's okay. We need to line up these button a little bit better too. Something like this. Stop it. Oh, that's awkward. It's a touchscreen. You're allowed to miss by a little bit. It's fine. Cool. All right, we just need to set these texts and decide on the values for this. Yeah. So there's going to be this ratio between how well you did and how much stuff you get for the next game. Yeah. Getting there, man. Super close. But I'm out of time for today, so we'll have to work on this on Wednesday. Thanks for hanging out with me, though. Appreciate it. And for all the coding advice. Hope everyone had a good time. Yeah, like I said, back on Wednesday. Until then, let's find someone to throw some love to. Oh, we hosted this guy last time. I like this guy. He's cool. We're gonna host this guy again. All right. I gotta go because my voice is dying. See everybody. Hello, context. All right, I'll see you over there. There we go. Cool. Yeah, bye. Oh, before I go, the Minecraft server should be up. I'll post about it in the Discord right after this. So I'll probably be hanging out around there.